We are learning more about the possible defense strategy for two high-profile defendants in the massive college admission scandal. Actress Lori Loughlin and her husband, Mossimo Giannulli, rushed by journalists in Boston yesterday before appearing in front of a federal judge. Now they face questions about potential conflicts of interest involving their lawyers. Carter Evans is in Boston with more on this story. Carter, will the two of them be tried separately?
No, they're in this together. They want to be represented by the same attorney. And from what we heard in court yesterday, they're going to pursue an aggressive legal defense strategy rather than take any plea deals, as many others have. Lori Loughlin and her husband, Mossimo Giannulli, entered Tuesday's federal court hearing with their hands locked and their heads down. A stark contrast from their last federal court appearance in April. Former federal prosecutor Lori Loughlin.
I think the more solemn demeanor tends to reflect that they are taking this matter seriously, that they've been talking to their lawyers. They know they're going into court. This is really happening.
Lori, do you still think you can win this at trial?
They wouldn't answer questions outside minutes after leaving the courtroom, where they formally waived their rights to separate attorneys. Their legal team also answered the judge's questions about a potential conflict of interest. Some of the attorneys representing the couple work at a law firm representing another defendant caught up in the admissions scandal, who is now cooperating with prosecutors. The judge is expected to rule on that matter in a few days.
Big smile, Lori.
Loughlin and Giannulli are accused of paying $500,000 to Rick Singer, the mastermind of the scandal, to get their two daughters accepted into the University of Southern California by falsely designating them as crew team recruits. Through these court proceedings, we're also learning more about a potential defense strategy. Lawyers in court Tuesday claimed the couple was donating to a nonprofit, unaware of what Singer may or may not have been doing.
And that's great if the jury believes it, but the jury might not, especially if other parents said, we all knew what was going on here.
Now, they're going to be back in court on October 2nd, but we're soon going to have the results of another very high-profile case. Felicity Huffman is sent to be sentenced in just 2 weeks. Tony?
All right, Carter, thank you very much.